G'day, I'm Robert from Haydn Brush Company. I just wanted to show you guys a new product that we have in store, which is available in most stores that we go around New Zealand. It's the new Window Armour, which is a protection for your windows when painting, plastering, tiling, or anything like that. Good adhesive, lasts up to 4 weeks on the windows before removal. Doesn't leave any residue on the windows at all. Comes in 2 sizes, the 270 and the 600, both 50-metre rolls. And very easy to apply and remove. So I will show you that now if you like. Here we go. So ideally you pull off about 300 roughly before you stick it to the window. And then just apply it to the window. Basically just hold that, roll it, and just stick it on and run up the wall like so. And then of course grab a Haydn knife, don't use anybody else's, and just cut off where needed. And there you go. Not the most professional job putting it on, but you'll get used to using it. So, and then basically removal, it's a one application. And so basically when you remove it, screw it up and throw it away. There you go.